It's MC Monte in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monte. This month's theme, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Black Ranger. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own Mighty Morphin Power Ranger cuffs. Yeah. If you're like me, you're working on your Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Black Ranger cosplay right now. But you can use this video to create any cuff, any color of the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. There are several methods you can use to make a really good cuff, and I'm going to go over a few of those methods in this video. You can make a really good cuff using EVA foam and velcro. You can also make a really good cuff using vinyl like the ones I'm wearing and creating a zipper closure. If you enjoy my videos, remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Check that out, gather your supplies, and let's get to it. The first thing you want to do is print and cut out your pattern. I cut out the diamonds using an X-Acto knife, and now I'm tracing the pattern onto my EVA foam. I use a ruler to get clean lines on the ends of the pattern. I use my heat gun to heat up my foam and prep it for painting. And I tape my pattern onto my EVA foam so I can use it as a stencil to paint the diamonds. I'm using black paint because I'm working on my Black Ranger cosplay. But at this point, you can use whatever color you're working on for whatever Ranger you want to do. Take your time to fill in the diamonds using the stencil. And after you're done painting, carefully remove the pattern from your EVA foam. Next, finish cutting out your cuff. When you finish cutting out your cuff, it'll look like this. Next, trace and cut out the attachment piece. Cut your Velcro to length and use glue to put it all together. I'm using contact cement. If you're using contact cement as well, remember to wear your respirator and open your windows if you're indoors. Next, I'm using a Sharpie and a ruler to clean up my lines and my diamonds and to get everything and to give all of my diamonds a polished, clean look. Repeat this process for both hands and your legs. I'll link to where I got the gloves as well. And there you have it. Your Mighty Morphin Power Rangers cuffs are complete. Now, if you're like me, we just finished the next part of our Black Ranger cosplay. Leave me a comment on this video and let me know how you did. I would love to see pictures of your work. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe. Share this video with your cosplay community, and I'll see you next time. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. Peace.